Hi, Annabel.
Hi, you don't know how to open that gate, do you?
Why? Are you planning on running away?
Well,
if I were in your shoes, I'd be trying to get out of here too. But I don't have the key. EC has all the keys, and I don't think she will help you.
Why not?
She's really upset. The poor girl lost the beads from her favorite necklace. Hi, Annabel. I heard that you insulted the all-powerful priest. Oh, my necklace. Thank you, Annabel. You're so good to me.
Issy, I need the key to the gate. Can I have it?
I'm sorry. I don't have any of the keys.
Issy, are you okay? Did you lose the keys too?
I'm sorry, Annabel. The Pharaoh has been sick lately and he hasn't been paying any attention to me. I'm really worried about him. I'm so worried that I can't seem to get a grip on anything. You know, living in the harem and getting presents every day is much better than looking after livestock barefoot.
Annabel!
Akhenaten, is that you?
Yes, my love, it is I.
Akhenaten, don't go to the lunch that Amertekh has planned for you tomorrow. It's a trap.
I know. Amertekh has seized control of Egypt. He has won over and bribed the priest and soldiers. They are looking all over for me.
What are we going to do?
We need to flee to Nubia. We will find people there that we can trust. Then we will come back, liberate Egypt, and restore order and justice. But I will not leave without you. We need to break out of here.
How? The big stone gate is too heavy to open.
There is a secret passage in the fireplace. I noticed it when I was reviewing the old sketches of the building plans.
In the fireplace?
Yes, just crawl in. The passageway leads to a pyramid, and from there you can reach a village on the banks of the Nile. A ship waits at the pier, and the captain is a friend of mine. You will need to identify yourself by telling him the following passphrase. It never rains in the desert. I will be waiting for you on the ship.
Okay, my love. I'll break out of here and meet you on the boat.
Annabel, everything is going to be just fine. I have to leave now. The guards are close. Please hurry, Annabel. I love you.
I love you too.
Remember, it never rains in the desert.
I love flowers and foreign fragrances, but I love the Pharaoh most of all. You know, living in the harem and getting presents every day is much better than looking after livestock barefoot. I don't understand it myself. I just... Annabel.
Issy, I'm really thirsty. Do you have a pitcher?
Not anymore. I tripped yesterday and it slipped out of my hands.
And?
It shattered on the floor.
Don't we have another one?
No, not until the potter brings us a new one. But I guess if you can find all the pieces to the old one, you might be able to fix it.